When you're carrying a load, there's one thing you don't want to see in the rear-view mirror, and that's your load moving or breaking loose. At best, it's expensive. At worst, it's deadly. Safeguard cargo nets make securing your load easy. They protect loads in utes, trucks, four-wheel drive roof cages, trailers, between toolboxes, boats, and much more. Safeguard cargo nets are the easy way to be risk-free and legal. With 22 load-rated sizes available, you can safeguard any load, any vehicle, any cargo, any type of work or play. What's the Safeguard difference? Our superior products provide high performance and versatility. A triple-layered, reinforced edge adds protection where you need it most. Multiple eyelet anchor points provide greater capacity. Extra tie-down tabs allow maximum flexibility. Heavy-duty ripstop mesh keeps small items secure. The anti-tangle design means easy handling. Heavy-duty UV-stabilized polyester webbing ensures lasting performance. And straps and a handy carry bag make transport and storage easy. Wherever you're going, whatever you're carrying, you can rely on Safeguard cargo nets for complete protection. Your gear deserves only the best.